So today we are going to a restaurant in Park Street. It's in Kolkata. It's called Mocambo. It was independent India's first nightclub, guys. So I'm also going for the first time, and let's see how it is. What I have heard about it, I've read some reviews in Google that it's a very nice place. Everybody is praising their food quality and everything. They are very famous for their variety of cuisines, and it's one of the elite and the oldest restaurant in Kolkata. So let's see how this is the entrance. See how they have managed this COVID time with the sanitizer kept outside. You need to sanitize yourself, then you're going inside. And let's see what we find inside. Inside the restaurant currently, and you can see
Fish finger, yummy.
Yeah, see the kids. He's
Yummy,
waiting
yummy.
for his fish finger. And what about Aritra Bhomik?
I am eagerly waiting for the food.
He's eagerly waiting for the food. So when the food will arrive, I'll show you how the food looks and I'll tell you how the taste is. I cannot show you the how it looks from inside, because for that you need any special permission. I don't have that. I didn't take any special permission for that. But they allowed me that I can shoot whatever I want on my table, even with the food. So that is what I'm going to do, guys. All right. So I cannot show you how it look inside, but it's a very good ambience. You'd really love visiting this place. Variety of people will come and see. And the dishes, employee and I said that please help me with this, because I really don't know what to order, because these names are all foreign names for me and it's really very difficult to understand what to order. So one person came and he really helped me in deciding what to do. We have got the first serving, which is fish finger. Oh wow, see how delicious it looks, right?
It's very yummy.
How do you know? You didn't even taste it.
It's mine.
It's yours, yeah, of course. See, my son is saying it's all his. You eat, Betu. Yeah, you eat. You want that sauce? You can take that sauce.
No.
Okay, taste it and tell me how it is.
No.
Taste it and tell me how it is. No. Okay, you tell me how it is.
I'm going to save a snack for later.
Okay, you're going to save your snacks for later. Okay. So Aritra Bhomik is going to tell you how it is. Look at his expression.
Too yummy.
It's too yummy, he says.
Yes, I can't express in my own words.
Okay. This is lobster. This is chicken. That is also chicken dishes. And this is accompaniment. This is the bread. Okay, so now Pinku Mama is tasting it. Bolo Pinku Mama, kemon? Now So now Didi will be taking some of it and she will be telling how is it. Alright, time for us to eat. So tell me, Chutkuram, are you liking it?
Yeah.
Yes. Didi, come on. How is it? Are you liking it? How is it? Is it good or you're not liking it? How is it? Tell me. It's good. Wow. Pinku Mama.
Very good.
Very good. Wow. So everybody is happy. Everybody is enjoying. You can see the lovely colorful dishes over here. Bhalo, bhalo, Pinku Mama is saying.
It means good.
I'll take. I'll take. Lovely dishes, guys. You can see this mushroom. Very delicious. You get a Italian flavor in their food, which makes that very unique, It's awesome. It's awesome. I'll tell you when I eat the lobster. This is the chicken dish that I was eating. I'll let you know when I eat the lobster. So guys, it's time for me to taste the lobster. I'll let you know how it is. It's amazing, guys. It's just amazing. You must taste this once.
I don't eat that lobster.
Lobster is looking so yummy. You check this out. Didi, tell me the taste. How is it? Taste it. I've become a lobster fan. It is awesome, Didi is saying. Seen that? Now next turn is of this bhetki. Somebody tasted it. Ma tasted it, I guess. Ma, you tasted it. You liked it, right? Ah, right. So Didi is sharing this with Pinku Mama. And we are already full. Still this finger is left for us. This is Park Street. You can see that west side. There are so many restaurants, so many shops over here. This is one of the happening places in Kolkata. See the buildings, it will give you a feel that yes, this is old Kolkata. These are roadside Bhel Puri stalls. Here you can see Pani Puri stall. This is our Kolkata's Tana rickshaw, this hand pull rickshaw. So now we will be going to this west side. We are in front of west side. Let's see and let's check out what we get inside. Do we get any fashionable stuff or not? So let's go and check out. We are going to check the kids stuff. After that we'll check if we have something for us. Let's see what they have. Oh yes, we got some of the stuff for my son. Look at that bag. 2 dresses we got there. Dakshinapan now, doing lots of shopping here. You can see variety of shops selling skirts and all. And in a very reasonable range, guys. I'll show you more shops here. Kurtas, guys. You come here for having any traditional clothes, from saris to kurtas to dhotis to anything. See, this is Odisha Emporium. See the junk jewelries over here. You're gonna love it, guys. Lovely place to shop for. I'll go home and I'll show you what did I buy from here. The saris collection, the cotton saris, the nighties, the kurtas, all colorful stuff and very reasonable, guys. 200, 300, like that. In Kolkata, never forget to come to Dakshinapan. You come to Dakshinapan, you get variety of dresses over here, as I told you before, in a very reasonable rate. Okay, guys. Be tailors here who, if you want to adjust to the size of your kurta or your blouse, they'll do that. There are big brands also, Tantaj and all. There are big brands for cotton saris here in Kolkata. We are back and I'll show you what I got from the shops from Dakshinapan. I'll show you. See this skirt. This is a wraparound skirt. You can see this. And along with this, I got this top. See, the masks are falling. So this one and this one. And to go with this, I've got this mask. I'll show you more. Keep waiting. This is a skirt. You can see. This is again a wraparound. And to go with this, all the masks are falling. Don't worry, I'll pick it up. To go with this, I've got this one. So it's like this. This two combination. And this is the mask with it. See guys, in 100 rupees this top is. So you can imagine that how cheap it is, but the quality is really very good. And along with this, one more mask, 20 rupees. Rest all are for my son. I know kids clothes, especially boys, doesn't interest anyone. So I'm not showing you that. So if you come to Kolkata, visit Mogambo, have your lunch, then go to Dakshinapan, do your shopping, and then you will understand that yes, Kolkata is a very cheap place and you'll get quality product in that price. Okay guys, love you all. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you.